Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. In this video, we are going to share the details for the Gran Turismo error code PE-2337F03, which reads, "An unexpected error has occurred. As per the users, as they hit enter to get into the game, they receive a pop-up with this error." As per our research, the error comes when users try to get into the lobbies and don't let the players enjoy any online games. Our research also suggests that the error mainly comes when PSN or game servers are down because of maintenance or outage. Now, how do you get past this roadblock? Here are some fixes you can try. First, check the PlayStation Network and game server status. You can do this by visiting the PlayStation Network status page and the Gran Turismo website. If the servers are down, hold your horses and try again in a few hours. But what if the servers are up and running? Well, you can try restarting the game. Close the game, wait a few seconds, then relaunch it. Still seeing the error? It's time to reboot your gaming device. Shut down your PlayStation console, unplug it, and remove the power cord. Wait about 5 to 10 minutes, then plug everything back in and restart your console. If the error is still there, check for pending updates for your PlayStation console or game. If there are any, go ahead and install them. So, to recap: 1. Check the PlayStation Network and game server status. 2. Restart the game. 3. Reboot your gaming device. 4. Check for and install any pending updates. With these steps, you'll be back on the virtual track in no time. Remember, every problem has a solution. Keep your engine revving and your spirit high. Happy gaming. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.